fresh leaks have revealed a closer look at what appear to be the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Ultra, shared by well-known and reliable leaker Steve H. Mafly, also known as OnLeaks. The images and videos show mock-up units that give a clear idea of Samsung's design direction for its next flagship phones. While these are not official devices, the details line up closely with what is expected from final retail models. The most noticeable change across both phones is the return of a camera island on the back. For the past 3 generations, Samsung followed a clean and minimal look where camera lenses were placed directly on the back panel without a raised platform. With the Galaxy S26 series, Samsung appears to be moving away from that approach. The new camera island gives the phones a more structured and solid look, but at the same time, it reduces the minimalist style that some users appreciated. This pill-shaped camera bar is now the main visual highlight of both the Galaxy S26 and the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It makes the back design look more traditional compared to recent models, but also helps the camera system stand out more clearly. Whether this change will be welcomed by fans is still uncertain, as design preferences vary widely among users. Looking specifically at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, another clear update is seen in the corners of the device. The Ultra model now appears to have more rounded corners, similar to the base Galaxy S26. This brings a sense of uniformity to the entire lineup. In previous generations, the Ultra model had sharper corners, which made it feel more boxy and distinct. With the S26 series, Samsung seems to be aiming for a more consistent design language across all models. The bezels on the Galaxy S26 Ultra also appear to be thinner. However, since the leaked images show the screen turned off, it is difficult to confirm how much of a reduction has actually been achieved. Even so, the overall front design looks slightly more refined and modern. Another important change spotted in the leaks is the repositioning of the S Pen slot. The slot now seems to be placed closer to the edge of the device. This could be a result of internal layout changes or efforts to improve ergonomics. While the shift is not dramatic, it is noticeable and could slightly affect how the phone feels when holding it or using the S Pen. In terms of size and build, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is rumored to be slightly taller, thinner, and lighter than its predecessor. There are also suggestions that it might be a little wider. These changes sound small on paper, but together they could improve comfort and balance in daily use. A thinner body often feels more premium, but it also creates challenges for internal components, especially cameras. Interestingly, even though the megapixel count of the cameras is expected to remain the same, Samsung may be making meaningful improvements in other areas. Both the main camera and the 5x telephoto camera are rumored to feature wider apertures. Wider apertures allow more light to enter the sensor, which can improve low-light photography and overall image quality. This could explain why the camera bump appears more pronounced in the leaked images, especially with the thinner chassis. Despite these tweaks, the overall design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra remains very similar to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The changes feel more like refinements rather than a bold redesign. For users hoping for a dramatic new look, this generation may feel underwhelming. The standard Galaxy S26 also brings some subtle changes. It is expected to feature a slightly larger 6.3-inch display, making it bigger than the Galaxy S25. The body may also be a bit chunkier, possibly to accommodate a larger battery or other internal upgrades. Like the Ultra model, the base S26 also adopts the new pill-shaped camera bar, keeping the design consistent across the lineup. While the refreshed look adds some visual interest, it may not be enough to excite users who already own recent Galaxy S models. The phones still look very familiar, and that familiarity might work against Samsung in a market where consumers often expect noticeable changes with each new generation. Beyond design, expectations for specifications are also fairly modest. Current information suggests that both the Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra will be incremental upgrades rather than major leaps forward. Samsung is reportedly placing a strong focus on on-device AI features to attract buyers. These AI tools could improve photography, productivity, and everyday tasks, but their success will depend on how useful and unique they actually are. If the AI features do not feel truly game-changing, many users may struggle to find strong reasons to upgrade, especially those already using the Galaxy S25 series. Design similarities combined with small hardware upgrades could make the S26 lineup feel like a safe but uninspiring release. In the end, the leaked images and video paint a picture of refinement rather than reinvention. The return of the camera island, rounded corners on the Ultra, thinner bezels, and small physical adjustments show that Samsung is polishing its formula instead of changing it. Whether this approach will satisfy fans or leave them wanting more will only become clear once the Galaxy S26 series is officially unveiled and used in real-world conditions.